Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to use the Vanishing calcium remover pillow. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: Vanishing calcium remover pillow and freshwater 5-way test strips. Step 1. After filling your spa, test the water for calcium hardness with a test strip. If the hardness is above 100 ppm, use the Vanishing calcium remover pillow to soften the water. Calcium hardness should be 25 to 75 ppm for salt systems and 75 to 150 ppm for other systems. Step 2. Rinse the Vanishing calcium remover with running water until it runs clear. Step 3. Place the pillow flat side down over the heater return in the footwell for 12 hours. Step 4. Turn the pillow over and reposition it over the heater return for another 12 hours. Step 5. After a total of 24 hours, remove the calcium remover pillow and discard. Step 6. Test the spa water for calcium hardness with a test strip. The calcium hardness went down to 75 to 150 ppm. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.